This tree blooms in winter and shoots its seeds like tiny cannons. Meet witch hazel, Hamamelis virginiana, a quiet, graceful understory tree native to eastern North America that saves its most spectacular display for when the rest of the forest has gone to sleep. Witch hazel is one of the very few North American trees that flowers in late autumn and early winter, sometimes blooming while snow is falling. Its flowers are unmistakable, 4 narrow, crinkled petals that look like golden spider legs reaching out from bare branches. Once the fruit ripens, the hard woody capsule explodes, launching shiny black seeds up to 10 meters away from the parent tree. That's one of the most dramatic ballistic seed dispersals in the temperate plant world. The name witch doesn't come from witchcraft. It likely traces back to the Middle English word wych, meaning pliant or bendable, a nod to its flexible branches. And those branches, forked ones, were the traditional tool for dowsers, people who claimed they could find underground water. Witch hazel loves moist, well-drained, acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 6.5. Plant it in partial shade to full sun, though more sunlight will give you denser flowering. Fall planting is ideal because it lets the roots get established before winter dormancy kicks in. Do plant in acidic, moist soil and mulch to hold moisture. Don't hard prune because flower buds form on old wood and you'll lose your blooms. Do remove basal suckers if you want a clean specimen form. And don't let the soil dry out during the first 2 years while roots are getting established. While every other tree rests, witch hazel opens its golden petals to the cold, a quiet rebel of the winter forest, reminding us that life doesn't follow just one season. Restore, protect, inspire.